From the vast expanse of Everest Base Camp at 5,300 meters, our journey unfolds. The drone soars upward, revealing the immense and untamed Kumba Icefall, a labyrinth of glittering ice towers and yawning crevasses, where every jagged spire stands as a testament to nature's raw, unyielding power. Higher now, at 6,000 meters, Camp 1 emerges, a cluster of vibrant tents clinging to the pristine snow, a fleeting sanctuary in this boundless wilderness. The ascent continues, unveiling the sweeping expanse of the western plume as we reach Camp 2 at 6,500 meters, a vista so vast it humbles the soul. The path grows steeper, winding toward Camp 3 at 7,200 meters, where it clings to the sheer, frozen face of Lhotse. Here, tiny figures, driven by unshakable resolve, inch their way up the icy wall, their determination stark against the endless white. At 7,950 meters, Camp 4 stands as the final outpost, a desolate, wind-scoured realm where dreams of the summit are forged in the biting cold. Then, the drone ascends to the Everest balcony at 8,400 meters, where the world unfurls below in an infinite ocean of clouds, stretching beyond the horizon. It glides over the treacherous rocky traverse, a gauntlet of endurance for those who dare. Finally, with a majestic sweep, it reaches the Hillary Step at 8,700 meters, a near vertical wall of rock, the last great challenge, before cresting the sacred summit of Mount Everest at 8,848 meters. Here, at the pinnacle of the world, there is only silence. An endless horizon, a moment suspended in time, where earth meets sky, and the spirit soars.